to Becky Beach AI Tutorials. I'm Becky Beach, and in today's episode, we're going to be making Irish Blessing coloring pages. Irish Blessing coloring pages are really cute, and you're really going to enjoy making them. Make sure to subscribe, be part of the Beach family. If you're already a Beach family member, give yourself a big hug from me. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So this is Canva, and here's what I'm talking about, these Irish Blessings coloring pages. You put an Irish blessing and make a prompt, and it makes this really cute Irish blessing looks. I made a whole bunch of them earlier, so I'll show you how I'm able to make these. So let's pull up some Irish blessings quotes. So here's some witty and uplifting Irish blessings we can look at. Made those, like, we're looking for ones that are kind of short. Like that's pretty long. That one could be cute. Maybe the, I don't really want to talk about drinking though. May your thoughts be as glad. Oh, I like this one. That's cute. I like this one. Yeah, so I'm going to go into ideogram, and I've already put the prompt in. A black and white illustration. Again, this is ideogram.ai. There's lots of different AI creators you could use. I'm just going to use ideogram. You could also use ChatGPT. You could use Gemini. Like there's a bunch of other ones. So this is the result from ideogram. So a black and white illustration of a St. Patrick's Day blessing coloring page with the quote. So let's paste in our quote. These are our traditional St. Patrick's Day motifs, such as shamrocks, a leprechaun, and a harp. The page is designed for coloring. So let's see what it says. May your thoughts be as glad as shamrocks. Okay, we got shamrocks. Your heart be as light as a song. So like a harp, maybe music notes. Music notes. And give you bright, each day bring you bright, happy hours. Maybe like a sunshine. And the page is designed for coloring. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we get here. Okay, so here we got some ideas. So this one, may your thoughts be as glad as the shamrocks. May your heart be, it looks like that one got messed up, so that's not a good one. May your thoughts be as glad as shamrocks. And then they put like something in the middle here, and that one's also not good. May your thoughts be as glad as the shamrocks. It looks like glad is messed up. Happy hoops. Looks like that's also. May your thoughts be as glad as the shamrocks. May your heart be as light as the sun. May each day bring you bright, happy hours that stay with you all the year long. Okay, so this one's good. I think this one is the best result. So that one's good. Go download it there. Okay. So I went to gemini.google.com/app. So we could go here and go to tools. And we could say make it US letter size with high quality printing. Let me see, for high quality printing, So let's go ahead and press enter. May your thoughts be as glad as shamrocks. Okay, looks like that one didn't write it either. Okay, write it again to be legible and exactly what the quote says. So it looks like it didn't do it right. So we can also try ChatGPT to see if we could get a response in that. So I'm using ChatGPT 5.0. And let me paste that same prompt. Yeah, this one did a good job. let's save that. May your thoughts be as glad as the shamrocks, may your heart be as loud as the song, may each day bring you bright, happy hours that sail you all the year long. I think this one is a good one. St. Patrick's Day blessings. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this one. Looks like that. It looks like the shamrocks have 2 stems. Yeah, the shamrocks have 2 stems. Yeah, I guess it's not that noticeable, you could say. And then this one is another option. May your heart be as light as the sun. It's like this one did pretty good as well. So I'll show you what to do. So go into Canva, I'm at home, and then do custom size, and click 8.5 by 11. Let's put that one in there. And what was the quote? Let's get the quote. So may your thoughts be, okay, that's the quote. So now I'm going to go erase, my magic eraser. And I'm just going to erase all of the text. So I'm only left with the artwork. And then erase. I'll just make sure it got everything. Okay, so it got rid of all that. And now I'm going to go to text, and then just do heading, and then paste that quote. And then kind of fit it in the middle of there. And then we could change any font we want. And then we'll go ahead and select everything, and then I'll make it white. Then we'll go to effects, and then outline, and make it black. And now we have colorable text. That's if the font just the text keeps messing up. You could just fix it in Canva and just like have the same graphics that was there. Yeah, that way it would look cute. Well, as you could see, creating the Irish blessings is a really fun activity to do. You can also bundle up the Irish blessing coloring pages that you end up making. You can sell them on Etsy, or you can self-publish your own coloring book on Amazon KDP. The possibilities are endless with these Irish blessing coloring pages. Make sure to subscribe, part of the Beach family, and make sure to check out thebusinessbeachclub.com. Thebusinessbeachclub.com has everything you need to start and scale your own digital product business. You can save 50% off your first month with coupon FEB50 off. Again, that's FEB50 off. Go to businessbeachclub.com now to sign up. Well, have a great day. Goodbye.